Hi, ACN family. I'm so excited to share with you this new Vivint incentive program. But first, let's just talk about who and what Vivint is. So, Vivint is actually kind of like best of both worlds when it comes to central alarm systems. So, think of break-ins, fire, emergency dispatch, 911 calls, but also smart systems like doorbell cameras, window sensors, remote access to the garage, maybe thermostat controlling. So we love that it's all integrated into one system, one platform, all synchronized and working together. Vivint is not just for residential users, but it's also available for commercial users. So think of like small retail stores, restaurants, offices. My hairdresser actually, her salon has Vivint. My dry cleaners has Vivint. So it's a fantastic product for anybody and everybody that wants peace of mind with not just a security system, but smart system. Now, with Vivint, one of the reasons why we love them as an ACN independent business owner is because, first of all, you make lifetime residual for every Vivint customer you successfully refer. And an average customer stays on this service for 8 years. So it's a really sticky customer. And Vivint and ACN's partnership has been long-standing. They run different incentives to make it enticing for your customers to want to be a customer. Like they'll throw in free promos or add-ons. And so I don't know what day it is that you're watching this video right now, but if you just text the word ACN to the phone number 89402, you can stay up to date with any promotions that are happening right now. So let's talk about this tier system. It's really amazing. First of all, it goes back to September 1st to December 30th. So if you have referred any Vivint customers between September 1st and December 30th, including yourself, you can qualify for this incentive. So work at the bottom going up with me. So look at tier number 1. So between this time frame, if you go out and successfully refer 2 Vivint customers that have fully installed, you get to choose one of 3 prizes. So 3 months of monitoring service for free, AirPods Pro, or a $150 gift card. But don't stop there. If you refer 3 more in this time frame for a total of 5 Vivint installs, you get to choose a new TV, an Apple Watch, or a $350 gift card. But hey, keep going. Refer a couple more for a total of 7. You're now in tier 3. You get to choose between a gaming console, an AirPod Max, or a $500 gift card. But why not go all the way? You have all the way until December 30th. So go to tier 4 by referring a total of 9 Vivint installs. You get to choose either a full on Utah experience, which is Vivint will fly you in, they'll take care of your accommodations, they'll probably take you to a basketball game because they sponsor that stadium there, or choose a brand new laptop, or choose the $1,000 gift card. But here's the cherry on top, you guys. This is so amazing. These tiers and these promos are stackable. And so let's just say, for example, let's say you chose to get the cash prize. You wanted just gift cards. You don't need a new laptop. You don't need a new watch. You don't want to go to Utah. You can actually get a total of $2,000 in Vivint Visa or Mastercard gift cards, you guys. That's $2,000. I mean, Christmas is around the corner. How many of you guys wouldn't mind having a cash Christmas? This is amazing. Now, I will say this. You might have a specific Vivint representative that you're already working with or your team is working with. So please continue to use that Vivint representative. But our team's Vivint representative is Ryan and Lucas. So again, Ryan and Lucas, they work for Vivint. They're not a part of the ACN team at all. They're just part of the sales channel, but ultimately they are Vivint employees. They're at the headquarters and they can do a nationwide sale where they can have a dispatcher from anywhere from California to Florida to New England to Texas. All right. So all you need to do as an ACN independent business owner is make an introduction. So as long as you have someone that's open to getting a free quote, all you need to do is make an introduction. So let's say, for example, I'm the ACN representative and my cousin Bob is interested in getting a quote. When I set up that group text message between the three of us, it would sound something like, "Hey Ryan, this is Melissa. I have my cousin Bob on this text thread who is interested in speaking with you about a free Vivint quote tomorrow at 5 o'clock Central Time. Are you available to reach out? My referral code is," and that's your ACN ID number as a referral code. "Thank you." And that's, you just make an introduction. Super simple, right, guys? Don't overcomplicate it. Don't try to be a Vivint expert. These guys are here to help you. And just so you know what to expect, when the Vivint representative calls your customer to give them a quote, it's about a 10 to 15-minute phone conversation. So it's all conducted over the phone on a recorded line where your customer gets to pick and choose how they want to build out their system. So it's fully customizable. Maybe your customer specifically wants, doorbell cameras to window sensors and motion detectors and a thermostat controlling. Or maybe they just want the bare bones, real basic, just the primary central alarm system and like one camera. So it's fully customizable. It's a free quote. There's zero obligation. I love that we have such an incredible team ready and willing to serve our customers. You just need to make an introduction. But don't sleep on this new tier incentive program, you guys. Take advantage of it. What an awesome way to close out the year with Vivint incentives, Vivint referrals, and lifetime residual income. So welcome to ACN, you guys, and happy Vivint days.